Oh, for our next trick, it's a little Squier. I don't know if they call this a Telecoustic. A wee short bugger. We'll get that one on the bench next. The guy who owns this one put his own strings on it, and it hadn't had strings for a while, so we're stuck with what we got. But I don't know if that's going to show up and all or not. It's got a pretty big bow in the neck by the looks of it. Let's get it tuned up and check the relief. Yeah, it needs some adjusting. It needs a bit. Yeah, nailed it. First time out of the box. Cool. We're going to look for right around 4/64ths. 17th fret. And right now we're at about 6. Well, I guess at the very least I got the capo on and take the strings out of this end. I can clean up the fingerboard a little bit. Bring that action down to 64th. I'll have to take a 32nd off of here. 32nd there. And the 32nd there. And we'll start off with some 220 grit. A little bit that way, flip it around, a little bit that way, nice and square. Well, those frets look much better without the crust on them. A little bit of oil on this fretboard. Looks pretty thirsty. Those frets are pretty crusty. And this fretboard's pretty thirsty too. That's okay. Make it look nice. Make it play nice. And I'm just using mineral oil on it. That's my favorite. Some guys like using various types of linseed oil, but I find the mineral oil is the least obtrusive. It's what that lemon oil and boar oil is, with some scent in it. We'll get the bridge here too. Give it some luster. And I just dampen my finger. That's about all I use. And we leave it on for about that long and dry it up. Take off all the excess. A once a year job. You don't want to do it too often or else it'll soften the wood. That looks much better. And again, we'll start right at the beginning. Back relief is beautiful. And at the 17th fret we have got five 64ths. Just went all the way across. I'm pretty sure I got a pretty good acoustic sound on here somewhere. Likes to feed back. Cute little guitar. Yeah, it plays a little bit better too now. Well, there we go. Another one ready to go home. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment if you want. And we'll get this all checked out tomorrow and once again and send it back home to its owner. That's a Squier, I guess it's a Telecoustic. Something a little bit different.